Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over one of our awesome tractor packages that we offer here at Papé Machinery. Today is all about the Homestead Package. Let's get after it. All right, let's talk about what we get in that Homestead Package, okay? So front and center, the highlight of this package is obviously the tractor. The tractor is that legendary John Deere 2032R. So 2032R with a 220R loader. Okay, so I've got that wonderful base package of that tractor, the loader. I additionally have the 270B backhoe on the back of this, and I get myself an RC 2060 rotary cutter. A wonderful package with a great versatility in mind. Okay, so let's talk about a couple of the key features. 220R loader on the front of this. This is a quick detach loader. I also have the ability to remove the bucket. 2032R tractor. So that 2 Series tractor, this is a large frame 2 Series tractor, and it's gonna have that 32 horsepower. Along with that 32 horsepower, I have things like armrests. I've got the LED lights. I've got the tilt steering wheel. I've got the ergonomic controls that are right next to me that make it really convenient and easy to use. One of the other features that I have is this auto throttle feature. So if I'm traveling to and from places on my property, I press that auto throttle button and it will allow the engine RPMs to be tied to my foot pedal just like you are in a car. But just for a traveling kind of convenience aspect, that auto throttle's killer. All right, let's talk about the backhoe on this. So 270B backhoe. I am just gonna go out there and say it. I think there's nobody else in the industry that's making the convenience of adding and detaching a backhoe like John Deere. John Deere's engineering that goes into these backhoes is phenomenal. This is just really easy. You've got quick detach pins on there. The hydraulics of the machine take it on and off. We do have a video on our channel that will feature taking on and off these backhoes. It is super easy, super convenient. Anybody can do it as long as you know the process. The process is very simple, and they do a really good job because we've got these wonderful placards on the back of there that tell you all the instructions. The Homestead Package is 2032R, 220R loader, 270B backhoe, RC26 rotary cutter, but it does not come with this mechanical thumb. You can customize these packages. So just because we just say the Homestead Package, it kind of gives you a nice convenient price point. Again, really nice, just built all for you, kind of with that thought process in mind. But you also have the ability to add to this. As you can see on this one, this customer has opted to take this package to the next level, and they went ahead and added this mechanical thumb. Okay, so let's talk about the other piece of the equipment that you get here. You get that RC 2060. Of course, this tractor with that 32 horse, wonderfully matched with a 60-inch cutter. It's gonna do a really nice job. Of course, this one isn't set up yet. I'll go ahead and insert some video of one that is actually set up, but really nice design, really nice shape, hardy build. This Frontier rotary cutter is a smash hit. So let's talk about buying the right size tractor for your property. The Homestead Package does a really nice job. It is definitely not the smallest tractor that we make, and it certainly is not the biggest tractor that John Deere makes. But I will tell you, this is a little powerhouse. You're gonna notice a lot of those smaller farmers and those smaller homesteaders have either a 2032R or a 2038R, and they use that consistently on their property. This tractor is just the right size, and proportionally, it's just a really nice looking sized tractor. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this quick run through of the John Deere 2032R, 220R loader, 270B backhoe, RC 2060, all put together at Papé Machinery. We call that the Homestead Package. Again, a great package for those first-time little farmers. We've got some guys that are doing some more production ag. This is a great machine because of its lightweight, its small stature, but obviously mighty power that you're getting from John Deere. I hope you like this. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again on the next Papé Toolkit. Hi, my name is Jason Hughes. I'm a territory manager out of Eugene, Oregon. I'm also a large property owner and own a lot of the equipment that you see featured in these videos. I hope you find this content helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below.